And welcome back. The Jamaica Racing Commission's newly implemented Rule 44.3 is to be suspended following its use last Saturday and resulting in 2 races being abandoned and amounting to millions lost in revenue. This decision came out of a meeting with Finance Minister Dr. Nigel Clarke and stakeholders on Thursday, where the issue of purse also came to the fore, and changes will be made there as well. Denise Walters has this TVJ Sports follow-up.
Finance Minister Dr. Nigel Clarke is describing the meeting held with over 50 stakeholders that lasted for over 3 hours as productive. Clarke says coming out of the meeting, it was agreed the abandonment of races has a negative ripple effect across the board.
Abandonment of races as a measure has the effect of collective punishment with unintended consequences. Jockeys, grooms, owners, trainers, punters, fans, the promoter and the government are all impacted. The Jamaica Racing Commission will therefore review the newly instituted Rule 44.3, which empowers stewards to abandon races, and the JRC will suspend its application of Rule 44.3 for the time being. In the interim, the Jamaica Racing Commission will develop a program of dissuasive fines that disincentivizes late starts with clear rules on the application of such fines.
Now, in the meantime, the promoter and other industry stakeholders say they will make every effort to improve the punctuality of races. This as delayed starts pose a health risk to jockeys and also have the potential to adversely affect the health of horses. Meanwhile, also coming out of the meeting was a consensus to renegotiate the purse structure.
Over the next 30